Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls on Instagram and Twitter. This is day 7, old twists, and it's definitely time for me to restyle. As much as I love them and I want to keep them like that, I want to give you just a few options that you can do on your hair if you do want to keep the twists in and don't want to leave it styled just the way they are. Whether you're wearing it down, whether you're wearing it to a side part, let's just get into this video. Oh, but don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss another video. And while you're at it, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter to keep up with me on the daily. Let's go. So for the first look, I am thinking about pushing a few of these twists back. And it's like, look at how much it just opens up the face area. So I'm grabbing a few of these twists. And this is super cute. Why? Because I used to do this when I was in high school all the time, this little hump hairstyle. So I'm gonna grab some bobby pins, pin it, and I'll be right back. Look at that. Now, what you can do if you want to create more volume, you can just grab a few of the twists from different areas, bring it on to the middle, and then just push it upward and just okay, rearranging some twists, obviously. Adding another bobby pin right there. Sorry if you hear my little kiddos. Oh, I like. Okay, this is cute. So not only do I have the twist pushed back, but I also have them to the side like that. And I'm gonna just pull forward. Now, even though I don't know what it looks like, it's something that you can definitely fix in the mirror before you apply your bobby pins. Take them out, fix it, rearrange it. But this is option number 1. I think it's super cute. I really like it. You know, it shows your facial features, and I'm sure you're very beautiful. So this is cute. So for option number 2, we're gonna actually do something a little cuter. Something fun, something that you can spice up, dress up. Not really dress, well, you can dress it up, but you can mostly wear it dressed down with a fun outfit. So the next one, I'm just going to grab the front twist up here. And I'm just gonna bun these up. Cute. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. It doesn't have to be something super perfect, but what you do want is to create an equal amount of volume on each bun so that they're not all lopsided and looking all uneven. They won't be perfect, and that's okay. Okay, I feel like a Spice Girl. Okay, so this is it. This is something cute, something simple, something you don't have to really do a lot of work for. You can add accessories to your buns by adding like some thread around it, and then that can really just spice it up. But other than that, I really like it. I think it's cute. Summertime vibes. Let me know if you like this one. Let's move on to option number 3. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, so for just something simple, we will just keep this swoop to the side. So I'm thinking of taking a bobby pin and just bobby pinning the twist straight across like that. Take the bobby pin and just pin it straight across the twist on the inside to see if it stays. Okay. So this look will definitely need some readjustments. You can definitely see the bobby pin there. And if you squeeze the twist together, it hides it. That's the beginning of it, you know. You definitely have to play with it. This is the second one that I added. And if you want, you know, you already know that you will definitely have to keep swooping these two to the side. But I really like, do I really like it? I think it's okay. I think that on a windy day, it doesn't matter. Your hair is going to be swooping everywhere. Swooping. Moving around everywhere. One hack. If you really want to wear your hair swooped to the side after having a middle part like I have for a whole week, make sure that you put on satin scarf, making sure that it lays it down. I wouldn't say all night or for hours, but just for a small amount of time, maybe 20 minutes. And just see if that makes a difference. As you can see, the bobby pin trick that I tried to use did not work, and that is okay. So for the fourth one, I have two options, right? I can either do a little twisty here. Oh, I really like this. This is cute. I've never styled my hair this way. I usually like grab these, but since the twists look really good and you want the twist, the majority of them out of your face, this is really cute. So you can definitely just twist them up, pin them with one bobby pin, and that's it. Something cute, something simple. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, so I have a few more ideas that just came to mind. So bear with me so I can show you guys which ones they are. I really like this one. You still have the twist in the front. You have the twist in the back, and you have some volume up top up here. Gives it something cute. I like this kind of vibe. If you don't want the ponytail, you can just put it up in a bun. You can put it up in a bun like this. And if you have too many twists, you feel, just take the twist. You can wrap it around your bun. Tuck him in under there, and that's it. Look at that. Bomb. Another look I have is just pinning it up. Pinning it up into a cute half up, half down look. You can take as many twists within the top knot as you would like. I am just freestyling it. Push it up a little bit so it won't be so tight. Boom. And this is cute. I like this. This is like a half bun, half ponytail type hairstyle. I didn't pull the ponytail all the way through, which is why I have the excess twists in the back, and I really don't mind it. I think it blends in nicely. If you want to have more of a cleaner look, just make sure that you redo some of the front twists if they're not nice and tight as you want them to be. But again, this is day 7 twists, untouched, other than scalp massages. So this is another option for you. My last option, I think, will be this one. Okay, 1 second. Oh, now you want to work. But before, when I try to pin you down, you didn't want to work, huh? This is cute. If only it would stay. But I guess you can just play with your hair all day and swoop it to the side or just swoop it to this side and go about your business. I'm not too sure how I feel about this. This would have been the last twist. This would have been the last hairstyle that I would have created, which is like a high puff with like a twist in the front, a twist or two. But I'm not too sure how I feel about it, honestly. I don't really like it already. But just because I don't like it doesn't mean that you won't like it. So we're just gonna do just that, open it up a little bit. Just like if we were bunning it out. And that's it. Something effortless. You don't have to tuck in every twist. This is more of a messy look that you can just get up and go. You can definitely do different accessories, like maybe a butterfly clip here or something with a little bit of bedazzle on it, jewels on it, just to make it sparkle. Put some thread on your bun. That's an option. Put some beads right here so that they can hang down lower. You have a couple of options. I just told you. So this is it. This is the last one that I'm going to create. I have a lot more spinning right now, but I'm going to leave that for a future video. I don't want to give you guys all the details. I want to keep you guys coming. You know what I mean? So with that being said, if you really enjoyed these quick, simple hairstyles, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so that you never miss another video. If you like this look, if you want to see more hairstyles, click the eye up top so that you don't miss my hairstyle tutorial playlist. I also have wash and goes, I also have skincare routines, I also have beauty routines, different eye looks that you can wear. My channel has a lot to offer. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to this channel, and share it. Share it with your family, share it with your friends. You may not be into my channel, but someone else may. So peace and love. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you guys on Sunday.